Give your toolbox and work area a full throttle overhaul with Mechanics Time Savers products. On-the-fly tool access and storage has just become a lot simpler and convenient with the MagnaPanel portable tool organizer. Now you can easily organize or create job tool sets with Mechanics Time Savers patented MagnaPanel. Available in both 12-inch by 12-inch and 6-inch by 12-inch sizes, the MagnaPanel is constructed of durable 16-gauge steel. Its unique panel design allows you to add or subtract panels as you need them. Integrated with high-energy magnets, the MagnaPanel can easily secure your tools and be stored vertically or horizontally on most metal surfaces. Its slender 3/16-inch profile makes it the perfect companion to your toolbox drawer. Save time and boost productivity with the MagnaPanel Professional Portable Tool Organizer. Accept no imitations. Ask your professional tool dealer or retailer for the full line of Mechanics Time Saver tool organization products today.